Relying solely on calcium won't effectively support the well-being of your bones and joints. Here are some other essential minerals which are required for your healthy bone and joints. Aids in calcium absorption and helps maintain joint health. Supports bone and muscle health, indirectly benefiting knee function. Necessary for collagen production, which is vital for maintaining joint cartilage. Have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce knee pain and inflammation. Supports the formation of collagen and cartilage. An antioxidant that may help protect joint tissue. Supports the formation of collagen and elastin in joints. Helps form cartilage and maintain joint health.